What's happening, YouTube? Yesterday, I called myself going to Tractor Supply. Well, not called myself, I did. And I bought 8 chickens. I hand selected them out, and I'm pretty good at this. So I'm pretty sure I got 8 more laying hens. So I set them up real quick. Remember my video of the world quickest and cheapest chicken coop build? Well, this is what's left of it now. It needs a new tarp on it. So they're pretty durable and they last for a while. I say it's about I know it's at least every bit about 8 months to a year old. Still holding up. But when I came out today, I bet you guys didn't know that crows, every bird you have to watch them around your chickens. I did not know that crows will eat a baby chicken. It had fought its way through an entry in the cage through the top, and it kept till it whistled in there and got in there. I don't know if y'all can see that or not, but it's right there where it fought through. See how it's kind of caved in so it could slide its fat behind through there? Right there. So I'm gonna have to come out here today and fix that. While I was checking this bird out, I looked up. I just so happened to notice something. Somebody please tell me, who in the hell left the gate open? Yeah, probably was me. Guess who's back, y'all? Let's see here. Just as I walked outside to get him, he flew away. As if getting away once wasn't enough, he decides to come back again. I'm on him.